In this problem, we will calculate some angles which are not in the form of 90 minus theta, 180 minus theta, etc. into standard form. Let me take up sine 450 degrees plus theta. This can be written as sine 360 degrees plus 90 minus theta. Sine 360 plus theta, first quadrant, sine 90 minus theta. So this, now you treat for this as theta. So I got sine theta. So theta is this 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta lies in first quadrant. Since 90 is there, sign changes to cos. This will become cos theta. Next, tan theta minus 180 degrees. Take minus common, you get 180 minus theta, which is minus tan 180 minus theta. But 180 minus theta lies in second quadrant, minus tan theta. This will become plus tan theta. Then we will take cot of 720 minus theta. This is very easy. Cot 2 into 360 minus theta. 2 into 360 minus theta, n into 360 minus theta lies in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, cot is negative. Since 360 is there, no change. So minus cot theta. Then we will take up cos of theta minus 270 degrees. Take minus common, minus 270 minus theta it is. Cos minus theta lies in fourth quadrant, where cos is positive. So you will get cos 270 minus theta. But cos 270 minus theta is minus sine theta. And finally, you will calculate sine 540 minus theta, which is sine of 360 plus 180 minus theta, which is sine 180 minus theta, which is sine theta. After calculating, we will now substitute in the formula. So what is the ratio? First one, sine 270 minus theta is minus cos theta by cos theta plus tan theta minus 180 is plus tan theta. Cot 720 minus theta is minus cot theta. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta whole square divided by cos theta minus 270 is minus sin theta into sin theta. So here cos theta gets cancelled, minus 1 plus minus this minus and this minus will become plus. So you will get tan theta into cot theta into sin square theta divided by sin square. These two they get cancelled. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0.